Press play. You. Sue for peace. Offer peace. Demand everything. Yes. Okay, that worked. Now I'm going to send you up here. And I'm going to attack. Actually, no. I'm going to create monster. Yeah, close. Your create monster. We have monster now. Moo moo. Yes. Wait, what's the thing for monster? That'll be interesting. Jure. That's pretty cool. It's like our fish, but reversed fish. The reversed fish. In a world where the reversed fish is a thing, many men must fight. What can I make now? Kingdom of Ireland. Let's not do that just yet. Let's not do that just yet. We'll take Ula. Yeah, Ula. Ule. Ule! Da 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 da. Just a moment. You. Do you have any allies? No. Grand. Declare war. Subjugation of Ireland. Why did the door just move? It's not the cat. Hello, horse. What are you doing in here? I'm recording. You shouldn't be here. And play. Why are you here, cat? Hello. Oh, are we going to catch them? Suppose he was. 16th. 17th. We are going to catch them. Happy days. Da 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 da. 15th. 16th. There we go. Yeah. We've got to surrender. Our archers are taking care of them quite nicely. Our archers are taking care of them quite nicely. Go away, cat. Don't show me your bum, you fool. You fool! Meow, 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 meow. Oh, he rolls over to let me scratch his tummy. Oh. Oh. Wow. Wow. Oh, I completely lost track of the battle. Okay, cool. Cool. You two. How's it going down here? Almost. Almost. Come on. Yes. Okay. Now. Oh. They surrender. Happy days. So now we own most of the land. Let's send these 5,000 to kill these troops, because that'd be, they'd just shake in their itty bitty boots, just be like, oh god. In fairness, I think we all would. That's 300 versus 5,500. You're not going to win. Not at all. Even if you were in the Alps, you're not going to win. You take too much attrition yourself and then die from the cold. The cold. Oh, the cold. Now, lads. Oh, no, lads. Go on. Yeah, cat. You got good cat. Scratch your nose. Scratch your nose. Yeah. 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 Run, lads, run! Scarpa! 12th. 7th. 19th. 23rd. So let's select you. And go here. Go here. And then over here. Right here. I will. So all together now, all together now, all together now, we catch the army. They're not gonna escape. We caught them at the Cape. Yeah. No capes. Oh, siege. Siege. If I get this, I can create Ulster. So Ulster, Connacht. I'm pointing at the screen as opposed to using my mouse. I'll have Ulster, Connacht, Munster, a bit of Leinster. That's not bad. So, then, what will I do? What will I do indeed? Right. Hill fort for you. Hill fort for you. Hill fort for you. You actually start building. Yes, you did. Here and here. You're building. Great. Oh, go away. Go away, chat window. And you. You're going to do the thing again, aren't you? Aren't you? Hill fort. Oh. Hill fort. I'm currently chewing a matchstick. I don't know why. It's so chewable. So chewable. I'm going to combine these armies, make them one. Ooh. Come here. There we go. And now, fuck it, lay siege. Assault. Assault. Your assault is on fire. Okay, balls. Okie dokie. You offer peace. Piece of cake. Send. Now. Let's create the duchy. Now, let's ask you something. Do you want to be my vassal? Yes, you do! Oh, that's just given us 2. Yes! Oh. Come on. 3 days. 3 days. 2, 1, 0. Oh! Yes! So that means... Can we create Leinster? Yes. Yes, we... No, I don't want to create the kingdom just yet. Leinster. Create. Come on. Come on. What? Did I just... Oh, I created the kitten. Oh. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Oh, look at our little symbol. Oh, it's so pretty. It's the interwoven shamrock. That's so cool. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yeah, okay. Now, let's see whether Dublin wants it or not. Do you want to be my vassal? Yes, they do. I'm just that great. I really am. Power. Yeah. Are you not entertained? I'm king. King under the mountain. Hello. What are you? Yes, I know this. I did it. Come on. They could still turn around and just go, no. No, I don't want to be a vassal. Yeah. Yay! And now I can create the Duchy of Mead. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Decisions. Let's do offerings to the gods. Yep. Goodbye gold. Organize the Fianna. Yes. Yes, the Fianna. You've decided to found the Fianna, a sacred band of warriors loyal only to the druids and to the gods, dressed in wolf skins over mail and venerating the famed warriors Fionn and Cuchulainn. This new warband will not only form a powerful shock force against the Isle's many enemies, but will also channel the fiery spirits of the younger, restless sons of Era. Go, my brothers, go. The Fianna. It's by Portrick. That name wouldn't have really been... Actually, that's quite fitting. Let's go here. Army of War Chief Portrick. Hello, Portrick. Let's play. That would help. That would help. Oh, look at that. Oh, so cool. Look at his... Happy Dames, it seems like you are worthy. Your worthy rule has turned the attention of the gods to your lands, and the discovery of a symbol sacred to your people bodes well for your continued rule. Glory to the gods! Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, it's that time. We have formed the Kingdom of Ireland just in time for Paddy's Day tomorrow. We've created the Fianna, led by... Oh, where are you going? The Fianna, led by Patrick himself. I mean, you could not get any better away than that. So, ladies and gentlemen, I've enjoyed the past 17 days worth of videos that I made for you, and I hope you have too. If you want to see more Crusader Kings 2 or strategy games of that nature, please do let me know. I plan on doing various works with my friends and collaborating with other YouTubes on both, you know, arsing about playing games and informing about various things, mostly historical. And because of that, I'm going to thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Until next time, I've been JpachoD. Enjoy.